Okay, so scale factor basically means like the dimensions for the bigger one are 4 times as big. So if we were to draw a triangular prism, oh man, I'm gonna have a hard time drawing it, but there's one of them, and then we draw one that's a lot bigger, the triangle base. Oh man, that's a brutal triangular prism, but that's the best I can do for you. Um, but basically, like if this had a dimension of say 2, this one would be 4 times as big, 8. Okay, the trick is that's not true of the volume. Like the volume of this one isn't 4 times as big as the small one. So what you have to do is take the regular scale factor, and since volume is measured in like cubic units, the ratio of volume is actually these things cubed. So it's actually 1 to 64. So for every 1 unit of volume you have in the small one, you have 64 in the big one. Okay, so the other fact we know is that we have 1600 for the volume up here. And so basically, if it's 1 to 64, we have to divide by 64 to get the volume down here. Okay, you could also do a proportion like 1/64 has to equal x over 1600 and solve that. But either route would work. So I'm just going to do 1600 divided by 64 to get my answer. So the volume for the smaller one is just 25 cubic units. And just as a reminder too, if it was air, so the regular ratio of like dimensions is 1 to 4, volume you cube it. If we were doing area, since area is measured in square units, the ratio of area would be 1 to 16 because you'd square the 1 and the 4. Volume you cube, area you square. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.